has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 552, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. For later statements of possible warnings. Long Island South Shore Bay to George Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York. Fire Island Inlet, New York to Morges Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Sandy Hook, New Jersey. To Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. And coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet, Pennsylvania. Berks, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.